Hi grade 3, today we are talking all about how motion is predictable. And the word predictable means knowing what will happen before it happens, or making a guess at what you think will happen. We do this a lot in science. When we are doing an experiment, we always predict what we think will happen before we begin our experiment. That's one of the really important steps to do at the beginning. We also do a lot of predicting in English class when we're predicting what will happen next in a story. Predicting is knowing what's going to happen. Motion is predictable. You can predict what motion will happen. When you are looking at a clock in the classroom or at home, and the clock has the minute hand and the hour hand, you know that the clock is always going to move in the same way, and the hands will always go to the same spot. That is a predictable motion. It never changes. I also drew some other examples up on the board. One of my favorite examples that you know is kicking a soccer ball. And it is a very predictable motion because when you pull your foot back to kick the ball, you can pretty much guess that when you kick the ball, it will move forward or will move in some direction. The ball won't just stay still if you kick it with force. That motion is predictable. The ball is going to go somewhere. You might not score a goal, but it's going to go in a direction forward. Swinging on a swing is another predictable motion. When you pull back, you know you are always going to go forward, back and forth. That is a predictable motion. So you are going to see some different predictable motions in your seesaw activity today, and you will have to say what you think they will do next. Make sure before you do the activity, at the very beginning of it, you read the pages about predictable motions so you can get more information.